Dear viewers, we are going to talk about Excel function CountIF with real life examples on where we can apply CountIF. So I'm going to type this is one example where we can apply CountIF function. We have a list of vehicles. Vehicles type. I have a list of vehicles type, the number of vehicles. So I have 274 Toyotas, I have 568 Benz, I have 428 Nissan. CountIF. So CountIF, what is CountIF? CountIF counts the number of cells within a range that meets a given condition. So let's say CountIF opening parenthesis okay, my opening parenthesis, my range is is equals to count if opening parenthesis, my range will be this, my criteria will be whatever is here. Okay, my range will be this one, so I should put a comma before I put my criteria. My criteria will be whatever is here, then close. Okay, so let's say whatever is here is a car type, is the vehicle type. Okay, whatever is there is my vehicle type. Okay, now let's say I input let's say Nissan. So vehicle type should be just below. I will paste it there. Now here I will paste Nissan. I will put my Nissan. Now you can see I have how many number of Nissan? I have 3 numbers of Nissans. Okay, this is one example where you can use CountIF. Another example is here in labor analysis. Okay, we are using the CountIF function in this labor analysis. So I will just let me delete whatever is here, drag it down. You can see you are not going to get anything because we are using the CountIF function here. Okay, now here I have the construction rate per day for each worker. Okay, for each worker I have the construction rate per day, and then I only type the day they have reported. If our worker reports on Monday, I type in. So if he reports all the days in a week, like security officer is supposed to report throughout, I will type in. But there's some people who might be in on Monday. Maybe there was an issue, did not report work, so I will just put out and that. So this CountIF will be very useful in this labor cost analysis report. So I'll just use the function here, CountIF opening parenthesis, my range will be the entire up to there, and then comma. My criteria will be I will put those opening quotation, then I will put this sign, and then I will put in again that sign, closing, then closing parenthesis, enter. Now we can see these years, the total number of days he worked was 7. If we count, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we just drag down this formula up to the last person, that is weekly. Okay, and now you can see weekly just reported on one day. Okay, it's just reported on, maybe was it on Sunday, right? And now I can be able to get the total construction cost of each worker depending on their construction rate per day. Okay, it's just sum or this one multiplied by that. So that is my CountIF function and how I can apply it in real life. In real life sample. So if you like this video, please do consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you in another video like this. Thank you.